Hello and welcome back to Creative Edmo. Today we are going to deal with 10 interesting words. These words are used to describe group of different birds and animals. So do you know what is a group of crows called? You will be absolutely amazed. Let's find out. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe. So what's the word for a group of crows? The word is mother. Yes, the word is mother. Sounds strange, isn't it? But that's the word for a group of crows. Now, let's quickly have a look at other words too. A group of birds, any birds in general, the word used is flock. And what about a group of cattle, cows, deer? The word used is herd. And a group of monkeys, the word is troop. So, troop means a group of monkeys. And what about many lions? The word is pride. Pride means a group of lions. And what about a group of fish? The word is school. Yes, school of fish means many fish together. Please note that the word fish and deer I have written like this only, not as deers or fishes, because in plural also we use the same word. One fish, many fish. One deer, many deer. Okay? And this is also very interesting. A group of owls. Any guesses? The word is parliament. Amazing, isn't it? Kind of makes you wonder that parliament is a place where government officers gather. Funny, isn't it? But then a group of owls, it also means parliament. Okay, what about a group of flies or insects? Swarm. A swarm of flies. Group of flies. And a group of puppies? It's litter. And last, a group of peacocks? It is muster. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Creative Edmo. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you and have a nice day.